Right, are we good? Are we rolling? Welcome back to another video. Forgive this goofy angle I've got going on with the camera. I don't know what's going on with it, but I had to make a quick video just for you guys. But today, I just wanted to bring you along and show you around this Porsche 911 GT3 Touring. And I'll pop it up here, just so you can have a quick preview. But it's super clean, wingless, it's got some sick wheels on it, and I think you're really going to like it. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet, so stick around to the end. And if you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments and I'll do more of them. But that's enough waffling, let's get straight into it. Right then, you lovely lot. Here we are. Got the GoPro on the chest. Just gives that nice wide POV angle. And as per usual, running the Sony A7 Mark IV actually on this video. Got the A7 Mark V currently, but this is a little bit of an old video and we're just rocking the older camera. Pretty much the same thing though. Still running the Sigma 24-70 Mark II. Pretty much a goated lens, to be honest. Ticks all the boxes. 24mm, nice and wide. 70mm, nice and compressed. For private shoots like this is literally all that you need. But yeah, like I said on the intro, I thought I'd just do a nice little chilled one. I always try and start off these shoots with the hero shots. Just get that confidence straight away. And the location on this particular shoot is just so clean. Works so well with this car. And as I mentioned in the intro, the wheels on this Porsche are the Vossen forged S2101 20-inch all-round, finished in brushed gloss clear. They just look so clean. Perfect spec, to be honest, this Porsche. It's not over the top. I think it looks so classy without the wing. This is goals right here, boys and girls. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you think I should keep these kind of videos on with the voiceover, the GoPro footage. I think it's pretty chill, and if you got any questions, feel free to also drop them in the comments. I think this is the way I want to kind of do my YouTube, is just keep it chill, little education here and there just to help out any other fellow creators watching, because I just think to myself, why not just give back? There was a time when I had a million questions and other people have helped me. I just think life's a bit too short just to not help out every now and then. But this is getting a little bit deep now, so let's just get back into the car photography. The weather and the lighting conditions were 10 out of 10. In the edit, I'm just able to bring back so much of the car and keep the setting nice and moody. And as you've probably noticed throughout the video, I'm going closer to the car, I'm going further away, because I think when doing these sets, you just need a big variety of angles. And when you zoom in to about 50 to 70mm, the car just looks so much more fatter, and it really makes it stand out compared to some of the wide shots at say 24mm. It just adds a variety, and you've always got to get detail shots of the wheels, essential in a set. After this photo shoot, we did go out and get some rollers on video, and I'll plonk them right at the end of the video just after this. The owner of this vehicle is just so chill as well, and it helps. It helps just when the owner can just work a bit with yourself, because the last thing you want to do on these shoots is just feel rushed. But on this particular occasion, the owner was just so chill and down to earth. But talking about cameras again, as you know, I've been rocking the A7 Mark V now for the past month or so, and I've been loving it. Photos wise, I would say it's got better dynamic range, and also the white balance. When it comes to editing, everything is just so much more consistent, I find. Now obviously if you go searching online, you'll find better stats maybe, or better figures, but I like to give real world examples. And yeah, just going from what I've experienced, I feel the editing process has just got a lot easier. And that's just the photo side of things. I feel when it comes to video, if you're using the A7 Mark IV and you've got that cropped 4K 60 FPS, I don't think I could ever go back now. On the A7 Mark V, you've got 4K 60 uncropped, and it's so nice. Just having that extra breathing room, yeah, I couldn't go back. I think if you're a creative and you use your camera on a weekly basis, it's worth the investment. And who doesn't love new tech? I'm not too sure what to buy next, but if you've got any suggestions, drop them down in the comments. I think I'm just going to let this video roll out now with video in the background. I've done enough waffling, I think, and I've run out of things to say. But yeah, if you've liked this video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.